Welcome to the final day of the Louise Hay Inspired Thoughts for 365 Days series initiated by Ratna Center for Conscious Living. My name is Sampurna. I'm a HelioLife teacher trainer for India. We started this series on October 8, 2020 to honor Louise Hay and the legacy that she left behind. Over the last year, we have published 365 treatment videos on a variety of topics, including health, relationships, work, prosperity, success, deservability, inner child, gratitude, healing, and forgiveness. It's with mixed feelings that I speak today. On the one hand, I'm delighted that we've completed the series with consistency, even through challenging times, particularly since this was in honor of Louise Hay and her tremendous contribution to the world. On the other hand, I noticed my sadness that this series is coming to an end. And then I realized that we do not have to end our relationship with our viewers or our teacher contributors. We will continue to share Louise Hay's wisdom in a new series starting tomorrow. We'll be using a different format and not the videos that you're used to. So make sure you tune in and listen, read, and answer as we go along. Meanwhile, I'm going to take you through our journey with the series, summarizing what we offered over the year so you can find whatever you need easily. The idea for the series sparked in me from a desire to honor Louise's powerful work and life-changing philosophy, while involving the HelioLife community and benefiting the public in a real and lasting way. The global community of HelioLife teachers is a space of tremendous love and support. And I wanted this to be a community project that would bring the teachers to you and you to the teachers. And it has taken a community to bring this series to you, right from the teachers who so enthusiastically participated in it, to the community at RCCL, who have worked together, each contributing their skills and talents tirelessly to it. 55 teachers have been a part of the series, and I've been very touched by how they just stepped in with joy and enthusiasm and a desire to contribute to the community. I'm so grateful to Dr. Patricia Crane and Rick Nichols, the global teacher trainers of the HelioLife work, for supporting us so lovingly throughout. I also want to specially mention the RCCL team, whose work has brought the series to life, including our video editors, Raj Bhairappa and Rama Badam. treatments creator, Nandini Lingam, and Nava, and all our interns who enriched it during their time with us. Sanjana, Shagun, Lois, Raksha, Arjita, Vanshika, and Ananya. I also thank each one of you, our viewers, for all your support and encouragement. Many of you have checked in with the series every day, listening, commenting, and sharing with your loved ones. And several of you have also written to us, sharing how much you've been impacted by the series. This has been very uplifting and heartwarming, reminding us at every turn as to why we started this whole program. The LHI or Louise Hay inspired Thoughts for 365 Days series has evolved with time. We started last October with 30 topics and slowly started to expand as the teachers and many of you requested topics you wanted addressed. In February, we began our first theme, relationships, where we work with the different relationships in our life, from those that we have within ourselves to those we have with others and the world at large. Then we moved to gratitude in March, where we expressed gratitude to everything and everyone, from Louise Hay to the different people in our lives, to the different services, including the government and education and healthcare system, and the facilities we enjoy every day, such as plumbing and electricity. In April and May, we brought in the body through the loving gratitude to our body theme. We expressed love and gratitude to various parts of our body, going from the upper body to the lower and covering all the body systems and aspects. June and July saw the healing thoughts theme, where we access the healing power of our body to ease out the symptoms of various diseases with affirmations from Louise Hay's famous list. In the first half of August, we progressed from this to healing our feelings, bringing ease and healing into different emotional problems, including anxiety, depression, guilt, blame, anger. The second half of August brought in forgiveness through the Forgiveness Freeze theme, where we began to forgive ourselves and others for all hurts, real and perceived. In September, we circled back to the themes we began the series with, affirming for ourselves love, joy, body image, growth, intuition, and much more. Towards the end of September, we brought in the treasure trove, bringing to you affirmations and excerpts from the treasure trove of books Louise has left for us, which continue to inspire millions of people every day. If you've missed any of these wonderful treatments, you can find them on any of our social media pages, or you could contact us. It has been such an incredible journey. I'm immensely grateful to all of you. I'm even more inspired by all of Louise's work, with all the hope, love, and excitement that it sparks in each of us. As we close the series today, here's a final treatment for all of you to plant new seeds that will become your new experiences. Please close your eyes, breathe in, breathe out, and just take in these words. In the infinity of life, where I am, all is perfect, whole, and complete. My life is ever new. Each moment of my life is new and fresh and vital. I use my affirmative thinking to create exactly what I want. This is a new day. I am a new me. I think differently I speak differently. I act differently. And others treat me differently. My new world is a reflection of my new thinking. It is a joy and a delight to plant new seeds, for I know that these seeds will become my new experiences. All is well in my world, and so it is. Whenever you're ready, you can take a deep breath, and then you can open your eyes and come back to this space.